Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome back to another exciting edition of Innovation in a Changing World with your host, me, Mrs. Inman. Well, guess what? Today is lesson 15, and we are wrapping it up today. Wrapping it up. All right, so we are going to meet live, but I wanted to go through this so that you can prepare for what we're going to talk about live, okay? You need your mentor text. You need a pencil. You need a highlighter. And I'd like you to get out a notebook as well because you're going to do a little wrapping. Oh, yeah. Okay, here we go. Our focus today is I can use evidence in the text to support my opinion. Awesome. So we're going to meet to talk about it, okay? I want to be able to talk about the articles that we've read and get your opinion, okay? So start thinking about, out of all the articles that we've read, what is the most urgent problem you think technology should be used to solve, okay? That's something I want you to think about. Because then we're going to go into wrapping. You're going to restate your question as a statement. You're going to answer the question and prove it with the use of evidence from your text. Doesn't sound so bad, right? Okay, remember, question. Okay, here it is. Out of all the articles that we read, what is the most urgent problem you think technology should be used to solve? Use evidence from your mentor text to support your answer. So, you can give this a shot, but I want you to still meet us live at 12:10 so that we can discuss and hear each other's opinions as well. Okay? All right. Probably the shortest lesson I've ever done for you. I can use evidence in the text to support my opinion. Now it's any one. It could be multiple evidence pieces from multiple stories. Okay? Are you a 4, a 3, a 2, or a 1? Boom! All right. See you later.